Starting around the 23rd of May 2023, HEX most certainly is exchanging at 2 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 1.64% in truly most recent 60-minute, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. HEX especially has a kind of all-out market cap of $3,933,054,847 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $11,015,750 in a kind of enormous manner. This basically makes HEX genuinely positioning at 203 in the digital currency market. On the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the HEX cost expectation end of 2023, what will HEX certainly worth in 2023, which especially is genuinely critical. Is HEX in every practical sense, wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in a by and large enormous manner? Will HEX cost certainly outperform its unsurpassed high, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking? These in every way that really matters are our HEX cost expectations for HEX's future, all things considered, as opposed to prevalent thinking. HEX value expectation 2023 as per the HEX gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the HEX cost truly is supposed to truly cross a for the most part normal value level of 4 cents. The normal genuinely least value worth of HEX toward the finish of the very current year ought to by and large be 4 cents, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Besides, HEX can especially arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of 5 cents in an especially significant manner. HEX value expectation May 2023. HEX cost truly is supposed to really reach between 3 cents to 3 cents in May 2023, while the truly normal cost of HEX for the May especially remains around 3 cents. HEX value conjecture June 2023. In June 2023, the cost of HEX truly is gauged to generally be at around an especially least worth of 3 cents in an especially huge manner. The HEX value worth can for the most part arrive at an in every way that really matters limit of 4 cents with the by and large normal exchanging worth of 4 cents in USD in an unpretentious way. HEX value gauge July 2023. The sort of normal cost of HEX could truly go to 4 cents toward the finish of July 2023, or so they for the most part thought. HEX could generally be exchanging around in every practical sense. Greatest worth of 4 cents with the truly least expected cost of 3 cents, which is very critical. HEX value expectation August 2023. With respect to August 2023, HEX cost truly is gauged to arrive at an actually the most reduced cost of 4 cents, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. The HEX cost could generally arrive at a really greatest cost of 4 cents with the typical expected cost around 4 cents. Showing how might HEX cost truly outperform its unequaled high, which basically is genuinely huge. HEX value conjecture September 2023. The HEX cost for September 2023 may truly arrive at a sort of least worth of 4 cents, while the greatest estimated cost generally is around 4 cents, really in spite of mainstream thinking. The truly normal cost for HEX for the most part is especially anticipated to truly reach 4 cents in September 2023 in a huge way. HEX value expectation October 2023. The cost for HEX in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 4 cents and 4 cents, really in opposition to prevalent thinking, while the really normal exchanging cost ought to basically be around 4 cents. Showing that HEX value expectation October 2023. The cost for HEX in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 4 cents and 4 cents. HEX value expectation November 2023. The cost for HEX in November 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 4 cents and 4 cents, which sort of is very huge, while the very normal exchanging cost ought to essentially be around 4 cents in a kind of large manner. HEX value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the truly greatest cost for HEX could basically stretch around 5 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of HEX in December 2023 truly is 4 cents with a very normal cost of 4 cents, or so they in every practical sense thought. HEX past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every practical sense, has been truly diminished by 3.62% in its truly current worth in a sort of significant manner. Assuming we in every practical sense look at the sort of current market cap of the HEX with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap all things considered is likewise down. HEX most certainly is confronting a kind of tough time jumping aboard with essentially other crypto coins, which in every way that really matters is very huge. The HEX especially is down to nearly 29.37% in the truly most recent 7 days. The coin certainly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for fundamentally beyond couple of days. The coin could generally have kind of solid basics yet. We don't basically feel that it would a beneficial resource in kind of present moment. Further appearance how this truly makes HEX exceptionally positioning at 203 in the cryptographic money market in an especially huge manner. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of HEX really diminished by 70.731%, disposing of an astounding typical amount of 5 cents from its genuinely current worth, which generally shows that these certainly are our HEX cost expectations for HEX's future in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be an essentially decent purchase, a valuable open door for truly speedy venture, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change for the most part is near 10.21%, and the cost commonly flowed from by and large least genuinely normal cost of 2 cents to essentially greatest kind of normal cost of 2 cents in the genuinely beyond 90 days, or so they thought. In kind of most recent 4 months, HEX basically has shown a developing pattern, showing how especially is HEX a fundamentally wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023, in opposition to prevalent thinking. In this manner, we in a real sense feel that comparative pieces of the market in a real sense were very famous at that period, or so they thought, as per the scarcely the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of HEX certainly is expanded from 4 months, showing how starting around the 23rd of May 2023 HEX is exchanging at 2 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 1.64% and by and large most recent 1 hour in a significant manner. The exchanging volume is an imperative job in its cost, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The coin in a real sense is up by 19.01% with the fundamentally greatest truly normal cost of the coin basically was around 2 cents and the sort of least kind of typical cost of in a real sense was around 2 cents in especially beyond 4 months, showing how might HEX cost for the most part outperform its untouched high in an essentially significant manner. HEX Value Conjecture 2023 FAQs. What will commonly be HEX fundamentally worth in 2023? Amazingly, the HEX cost basically is guanched to basically arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of 5 cents with least cost of 4 cents toward the finish of 2023. So HEX Value Figure 2023 FAQs. What will be HEX worth in 2023? Truly in opposition to prevalent thinking, HEXs most certainly have a future, or so they especially thought. As far as cost, HEX in a real sense has a remarkable kind of potential to basically arrive at new levels, showing that this unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a for the most part great in every way that really matters. Purchase an open door for speedy venture, which basically is genuinely critical. It truly is gauged that HEX will increment in esteem in an unobtrusive way, as per genuinely unambiguous specialists and business examiners. HEX can in a real sense hit the scarcely the most exorbitant cost of 23 cents till 2030, which basically shows that on the off chance that you by and large are a crypto financial backer and considering what all things considered is the HEX cost forecast finish of 2023. What will HEX be fundamentally worth in 2023, truly in spite of prevalent thinking? Is HEX commonly worth purchasing in 2023, which generally is genuinely huge? HEX's incentive in every practical sense is supposed to keep